Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious hot honey wing boil. This is for the folks who are allergic to seafood, or maybe you just want to try something different. It's the same concept as a seafood boil but with wings instead. Now I already went ahead and prepped, seasoned my wings, and I'll show you guys how I did that in just a minute. I also have some sweet corn, potatoes, eggs, sausage, butter, hot sauce, honey. I'll be using some garlic and onions for the seasonings. I have complete seasoning, seasoned salt, 2 chicken bouillon, mushroom seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. So let's rewind back to how I prepped and seasoned my chicken wings. First, I cleaned them up really well, then washed in lemon juice. Then I added some mustard and some grated ginger, as well as some garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, sazon seasoning, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper. Now please be reminded that you can use your favorite seasonings here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. But the first thing you want to do is combine the seasonings so that they will be evenly distributed onto the chicken wings. Then you want to add a little bit of that mustard. It adds a nice tangy flavor to the chicken wings that I like. And then you want to add the grated ginger and coat it really well with the seasonings. Then get in there with your hands and just mix it. Make sure that it's nicely marinated. Then we'll cover and let it sit for about an hour or two. If you have time and you can let it go for overnight, that will be best. So we'll start by cooking the wings first. I did place them in my air fryer and I'll cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes on 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they are done, this is how they should be looking. We will remove them and we will carry on with the same process until we're all done. Now let's go ahead and boil the rest of our ingredients. To a pot of water, I will now add my onions and garlic as well as my seasonings. Now, once you add your seasoning here, you could go ahead and taste the water to make sure that it suits your liking. You could also use your own seasoning here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Once the water is nicely seasoned, we'll go ahead and add our sausage, our corn, potatoes, and the eggs. We will allow it to boil until our potatoes are nice and tender, the sausage is nicely cooked, and our eggs is nicely hard boiled. So after about 15 minutes, my potatoes are nice and tender, as you can see right there. Because they are small, they didn't take a long time to cook. But it all depends on the size of your potatoes, how long this will take. Now I'll go ahead and drain it. And I will re-season with a little bit more seasoned salt. Now let's make the quick and easy hot honey wing sauce. So we'll add some butter to a saucepan, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with our hot sauce and our honey. I like to add a tad bit of mushroom seasoning so that it gives the sauce a nice flavor and taste. We will allow this to simmer on low heat until it thickens. Once it thickens, that's it, the sauce is done. We can get ready to pour this all over our wing boil and enjoy. So the last and final step, you want to add that delicious sauce that we made. Make sure this is nicely coated with the sauce. Use as much or as little as you like, and then we'll top it with some fresh parsley, and that's it. Super simple and easy, and your entire family and friends will enjoy this. It is so filling and delicious. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.